After a car accident, life can feel overwhelming. Medical bills, car repairs, lost wages, and constant calls from insurance companies who often care more about saving money than helping you. This is where a car accident lawyer steps in. Their job is to protect your rights, handle tough negotiations, and make sure you're not pressured into unfair settlements. Instead of you struggling to gather evidence or argue with insurers, your lawyer investigates the accident, collects proof, and builds a strong case to show who's responsible. They calculate not just today's medical costs, but also future expenses, therapy, and lost income. If the insurance company refuses to pay fairly, they're ready to fight in court so your story is heard. Beyond legal strategy, a lawyer provides peace of mind, taking stress off your shoulders so you can focus on recovery while they fight for the maximum settlement you deserve. After an accident, it may seem tempting to handle the claim yourself, but going against insurance companies alone is like stepping into a fight blindfolded. These companies are not on your side. Their business is designed to protect their profits, and they use trained adjusters and lawyers whose job is to reduce or deny payouts. They may pressure you into quick settlements before you know the full extent of your injuries, or twist your words from recorded statements to make it seem like you were at fault. Without legal knowledge, it's easy to accept an offer that looks fair at first but won't cover long-term medical bills, lost income, or future complications. A car accident lawyer knows these tactics inside out. They can spot hidden tricks in paperwork, push back against unfair negotiations, and calculate the true value of your case. By having professional representation, you level the playing field and protect yourself from being taken advantage of. The moments right after a car accident are often chaotic, but the steps you take can make a huge difference in both your health and your injury claim. The very first priority is to get medical help, even if you feel fine. Some injuries, like whiplash or internal damage, don't show symptoms immediately, and having a doctor's record is vital for your case. Next, always call the police and file an official report. This creates an unbiased record of what happened, which becomes powerful evidence later on. While waiting for help to arrive, if it's safe, gather as much evidence as possible. Take clear photos of the vehicles, license plates, road conditions, and visible injuries. Get the contact information of witnesses, because their statements can strongly support your claim. Avoid admitting fault or making casual statements to the other driver's insurance company. These early steps not only protect your health but also build the foundation of a strong legal case that a lawyer can use to fight for maximum compensation. Right after a car accident, every decision you make can shape both your recovery and your claim. The first step is always your health. Get medical help immediately, even if you think you're fine. Some injuries take hours or even days to appear, and a doctor's record becomes crucial evidence later. Next, call the police and ensure an official accident report is filed. This document serves as an unbiased account of what happened and often carries more weight than your word alone. If it's safe, start gathering your own evidence. Take photos of the vehicles, license plates, road conditions, traffic signs, and any visible injuries. Collect contact details of witnesses, because their statements can strengthen your case when insurance companies try to dispute it. Be careful with what you say. Never admit fault or casually comment that you're okay. These small details matter, and following these steps gives your lawyer the strongest foundation to fight for maximum compensation on your behalf. One of the biggest mistakes accident victims make is underestimating how much evidence they'll need later. Many people walk away from the crash scene without taking photos, collecting witness information, or properly documenting their injuries. Days later, when bruises fade or pain gets worse, there's no solid proof to back up their claim. Another costly error is accepting the first settlement offer from the insurance company. These offers are often designed to close the case quickly and cheaply, long before you know the full cost of treatment or time off work. Victims also harm their claims by delaying medical care, skipping follow-up appointments, or posting about the accident on social media, which can be twisted against them. Even simple statements like, "I'm okay," can be used to downplay your injuries. By avoiding these common mistakes and working with a lawyer, you protect your claim, your health, and your chance of securing the full compensation you deserve. Personal injury law is the backbone of most car accident claims, and understanding its basics helps victims see why legal help matters so much. At the center of these cases is liability, determining who is responsible for causing the crash. This usually comes down to negligence, which means someone failed to act with reasonable care, such as texting while driving, speeding, or ignoring traffic signals. If that negligence directly caused your injuries, you may be eligible for compensation. This compensation isn't limited to just medical bills. It can also cover lost wages, pain and suffering, rehabilitation, and even long-term impacts on your ability to work or live normally. However, eligibility depends on proving both fault and the extent of damages, which can be challenging without strong evidence and legal strategy. Insurance companies may try to argue that you were partly at fault or that your injuries aren't as serious as you claim. That's why knowing these basics and having a lawyer to apply them in your favor is key to winning fair compensation. Insurance companies are supposed to provide protection after an accident, but in reality, their main goal is to protect their profits. When you file a claim, they often use strategies designed to minimize what they pay out. One common tactic is offering a quick settlement that looks appealing but falls far short of covering long-term medical costs or lost income. They may also delay your case, dragging out the process in hopes that you'll become frustrated and accept less just to move on. Adjusters are trained to ask tricky questions, twist your words, or even suggest you were partly at fault to reduce your compensation. They might demand unnecessary paperwork or challenge the severity of your injuries, all while presenting themselves as helpful. Without knowing these tactics, victims can easily walk away with far less than they deserve. A skilled lawyer recognizes these strategies instantly, pushes back against delays, and ensures the insurance company pays the fair settlement you're legally entitled to. Strong evidence is the backbone of any successful car accident claim, and the more detailed proof you have, the harder it becomes for insurance companies to deny responsibility. Photos are one of the most powerful tools. Snapshots of vehicle damage, road conditions, skid marks, traffic lights, and even weather can tell the story of how the crash happened. Medical reports are equally critical, since they connect your injuries directly to the accident and outline the treatment you'll need now and in the future. Witness statements add another layer of credibility, offering unbiased accounts that support your version of events. In today's world, dashcam footage can be a game changer, capturing the accident in real time and removing doubt about what occurred. Even small details, like receipts for towing or medication, can add weight to your claim. When combined, this evidence creates a solid foundation your lawyer can use to build a strong case, making it much harder for insurers to dispute or minimize your compensation. When a lawyer calculates a settlement after a car accident, they look far beyond just the immediate bills. Medical expenses are often the starting point: hospital stays, doctor visits, physical therapy, prescriptions, and even future treatment costs if your injuries will require long-term care. Lost wages are another key factor, because missing work or losing the ability to earn in your career can have a huge financial impact. But settlements aren't only about money on paper. Lawyers also account for pain and suffering, the physical discomfort, emotional stress, and lifestyle changes you've had to endure. For example, if an injury prevents you from enjoying activities you once loved, that loss carries real weight in your claim. They often work with medical experts, financial analysts, and life planners to put a dollar value on both present and future damages. By combining these factors, your lawyer builds a complete picture of how the accident has affected your life, ensuring you pursue the maximum compensation you truly deserve. When people think about car accident settlements, they often imagine huge payouts, but the truth is that amounts vary widely depending on the details of the case. Minor accidents with small injuries may settle for a few $1,000s, while serious crashes involving long-term medical care, surgeries, or permanent disability can lead to settlements in the hundreds of thousands, or even millions in extreme cases. What really drives the payout higher are factors like the severity of injuries, whether the victim needs ongoing treatment, how much income has been lost, and the level of pain and suffering involved. Clear evidence of the other driver's fault, such as dashcam footage or strong witness testimony, can also push insurance companies to offer more. On the other hand, weak evidence or delayed medical care may lower the value. Every case is unique, but with an experienced lawyer fighting for you, the settlement can better reflect the true cost of your injuries and the impact on your life. Most car accident cases end with a settlement, but sometimes going to court is the smarter choice. Settling has clear benefits. It's faster, less stressful, and guarantees you some compensation without the risks of a trial. However, insurance companies often use settlements to pay less than what you truly deserve. If their offer doesn't cover your medical bills, future care, or lost wages, a trial may be necessary. Going to court gives you the chance to present your story before a judge or jury, who may award far more than the insurer offered. The downside is that trials take longer, can be emotionally draining, and there's always some risk of losing. But with a strong case, solid evidence, and an experienced lawyer, the courtroom can deliver justice that negotiations cannot. The decision comes down to balance, accepting a fair settlement when it meets your needs, or choosing a trial when fairness is impossible without a fight. Car accident claims don't resolve overnight, and understanding the timeline helps set realistic expectations. In straightforward cases with minor injuries and clear liability, a claim might settle in just a few months once medical treatment is completed and damages are calculated. But more complex cases, especially those involving severe injuries, disputed fault, or uncooperative insurance companies, can stretch to a year or more. The process usually begins with medical treatment and gathering evidence, followed by filing the claim and negotiating with the insurer. If negotiations fail, the case may move into litigation, which can add many more months, sometimes even years. Insurance companies often delay on purpose, hoping victims will get frustrated and accept less. While it can be difficult to wait, patience often leads to higher settlements because it allows your lawyer to fully calculate long-term medical needs and lost income. Every case is unique, but a skilled lawyer works to push things forward while ensuring you don't settle for less than you deserve. One of the biggest concerns accident victims have is, how can I afford a lawyer? The good news is that most car accident lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, which means you don't pay anything upfront. Instead of charging hourly rates or big retainers, they take a percentage of the settlement or verdict you win. This setup benefits victims because it removes financial risk. You only pay if your lawyer successfully recovers money for you. The percentage is usually agreed upon before the case begins, so there are no surprises later. This also motivates your lawyer to fight harder, since their payment depends on maximizing your compensation. If you lose the case, you owe them nothing for their time and effort. Contingency fees make quality legal representation accessible to everyone, not just those who can afford expensive legal bills. It ensures that no matter your financial situation after an accident, you still have a powerful advocate working for your best interests. Imagine a driver who was hit by a distracted truck driver on the highway. The crash left them with severe back injuries, months of physical therapy, and the inability to return to work right away. At first, the insurance company offered only $40,000, far less than what was needed to cover surgeries, lost income, and long-term care. With the help of a skilled car accident lawyer, the victim's case was built with strong medical reports, expert testimony, and dashcam footage. After tough negotiations, the settlement reached $500,000, giving the client financial security during recovery. In another example, a pedestrian struck in a crosswalk was told by the insurer they were partially at fault. Their lawyer gathered surveillance footage proving the driver ran a red light, and the victim secured a six-figure settlement. These cases show how a lawyer can turn low offers into life-changing results. While every case is different, strong legal representation consistently makes the difference between struggling and truly recovering. Maximizing compensation after a car accident isn't just about waiting for a lawyer to do all the work. It also depends on the smart steps you take as a victim. First, always follow through with medical treatment. Skipping doctor visits or stopping therapy early gives insurance companies an excuse to argue your injuries aren't serious. Second, keep detailed records of everything: medical bills, receipts, prescriptions, repair costs, and even a journal of your pain and daily struggles. These documents paint a clear picture of how the accident has impacted your life. Third, hire the right lawyer as soon as possible. Early representation means your lawyer can protect you from common mistakes, handle insurance calls, and start building your case while evidence is fresh. Acting quickly also shows the insurer you're serious about your claim. By combining consistent medical care, thorough documentation, and skilled legal support, you give yourself the strongest chance of securing the maximum settlement you truly deserve.